Hi, welcome back to my channel Tech Trivia. Today, I wanted to discuss a case study with a potential declarative solution. Recently, one of our customers requested to populate an ultimate parent account details on related opportunities. That means if an opportunity is related to account X and if an account X has a parent account Y, then there is a field on opportunity that the top level parent. That field is lookup and it should set the account Y relationship. And let's say if account Y has a further relationship with account Z as a parent account, then the top level parent should display account Z. So the idea is just look at the account hierarchy and pick the last level of the parent and update it on the related opportunity. Now there are different approaches to achieve this solution, and I think Apex is one of the best options to do that, but my customer is afraid to use Apex. So I asked that how many levels of hierarchy they are using right now. He said that they are currently using a maximum of 6 levels. So I suggested one other solution where he can use a formula field, or rather cross object formula field, to get the top level parent detail and a record trigger flow to populate the lookup on opportunity with the top level parent account details. And later, I thought, why shouldn't I create a YouTube video to share this with everyone? Now, this is completely a declarative solution, so we are not going to use Apex. And keep in mind, the cross-object formula field can only work up to 10 levels. So if you are using the parent account hierarchy more than 10, then this is something you cannot use. So let's log in Salesforce and see how this can be done. We are going to create a formula field first, and then we're going to use a flow to use that formula value to populate the lookup on opportunity. So once you are in, click on the gear icon and then setup. Click on the object manager tab and then click on the account. Now click on the fields and relationships option and then hit new to create a cross object formula field. Now choose the field type, scroll down and select formula and then hit next. The field label should be top level parent account ID. Top level parent account ID. Select text as the written type and hit next. Alright, first time if you are creating the formula, then you will be on simple formula tab. Click on the advanced formula and then you'll see these options like insert field, insert operator, and right inside insert selected functions. So we're gonna use a formula with if statements. So there is no error in our formula. I'm going to add this formula in the video description as well. So you guys can simply copy paste from there. Now click next, add the field level permission, click next. You don't need to add this field on the page layout, but I'm adding it so that I can see the value just to ensure the formula is working. But later, I would like to remove it from the page layout. Click on the save. Great. So now you need to add a flow to populate the parent account field on opportunity. I already have the parent account field created on opportunity. If you have not, then please create a lookup relationship on opportunity to link with account. To create a record trigger flow, click on the Home tab in the setup and then in the quick find, search for flows. Click on flows. At top right corner, click on the new flow button. Select record trigger flow and then click create. So object should be opportunity. Configure trigger should be when a record is created or updated. And in the optimize the flow for option, select actions and related records. Click done. All right. Now click on the plus icon to add an action element and select update triggering record option. The label should be update parent account on opting. Use the opportunity record that triggered the flow. Make sure the first radio button is selected. And in the field, just select the field that you want to update, that's parent account. In the value, choose record, that's opportunity. Then select account and then select a formula field that we have created, the top level parent account ID. Select it and then click done. Click on the save. Flow label should be update top level parent account on Opti and then click save. Great. Now also activate the flow by clicking activate button. Everything looks good. Now let's test the flow. So click on the app launcher and then type account, select accounts, uh, open any account of your choice. I'm opening Salesforce account. You can also create a new account if you want. In Salesforce account, click on details and you see the parent account is blank. Let's create a new account. So once you click on the parent account field, there is an option that lets you create a new account. Click on that plus sign with new account option. I'm gonna say account A, and now again there is a parent account option. Let's click on that and create one other account. And I'm gonna name it as account B. Save it and also save the account A. All right, so please don't confuse here. I have Salesforce account and account A is a parent, and on account A, account B is a parent. So ultimately, Salesforce is a grandchild of account B. Click on the save. All right. Now you notice the formula that we created already has a value of account B. Now let's create a new opportunity under this account. So click on the new button. That's the record type. If you have any record type, choose any one of your choice. And you notice the parent account field is blank, and we're expecting this to be updated by flow. I'm just going to fill all the required fields. So the opportunity name, stage, and the close date. That is it. Let's click on the save. And you notice test opti1 is what we created. Click on that. And if you click on the details, so the parent account lookup is updated with account B because account B is the last level in the hierarchy, right? If you notice the name of the opportunity, it is appended with the account and the close date month and year. That is because of the another flow. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'm gonna give the link in the I button here, so you can also check out that video and add flow to update the name field. All right, so everything is working as expected. If you're enjoying the content, then please hit the like button to motivate me to create more and more such a learning videos. And if you are new to the channel, then please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming video, and also share this video with others. Thank you for now, and I'll see you in the next video.